Baby, baby, won't you make me part of things? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I feel.
There's Tamia.
They'll get on the play. Loss of a yard. The 3rd and 14. From the 20, 305.
We'll go to cheerleader, y'all.
Coaches, fans, cheerleaders, administrators, and yourself. A big round of applause.
Y'all, Mia in her element, y'all. With her little friends. Hi, of course. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ashley Bree back with another piece of this vlog that you guys are currently watching. Oh, it's bright out here. It is bright, but your girl's outside because, y'all, my poor little flowers, dying. Look at Seven. Say, hey, Seven. Hey. Close the door, Dada. Go close the door. But yeah, y'all, so I'm out here about to water these flowers because, y'all, they sick. And, like, really, some of them just straight up dead, but they still look pretty good on the house, so we're gonna leave them up for a minute. I'm just gonna water them because the ones that are, like, still surviving and still pushing through, they need a little bit of water. But it's time to switch them out with some fresh new flowers, but that ain't gonna happen today. I might run some errands today. I really want to go to Home Depot and I really want to go to Academy because I need a canopy tent, like the ones that's used for tailgates and like pop-up shops and stuff like that for BE Transform. Y'all, I literally searched all day yesterday for y'all, look, hold on. Let me show y'all this boy. You supposed to wait on mommy. Where your shoes? Boy, go get your shoes. You so silly. Give it to me. But yeah, y'all, so I searched all day yesterday. Like, I literally went to Home Depot here. I went to Big Lots. I went to Walmart. I went to about 4 different stores, actually, looking for a canopy, and I did not find one because I was supposed to have been at a pop-up shop this morning. And I ended up not going because I just wanted to have a tent and I didn't want to go unprepared. So my mission today is to actually go find a tent, well, a little canopy. So I'm going to go to another city nearby to see if their Home Depot has it or if their Academy has one. I know it's football season, so I know they're very limited, but I need to find something because next time, which there's going to be another one next month, I need to be ready and prepared. And there's another, it's like 2 more events that I want to do for BE Transform this month that I actually got invited to. So I need to go ahead and get things in order. I bought a table last night, which is actually still in my trunk, so I do need to take that out. But yeah, I need to go find a canopy. But for right now, we're gonna water these plants and then, I said canopy. But for right now, we're gonna water these plants and I'll let y'all know if I decide to get in the car and ride out. Keep watching. Clean that dirt off those feet. You get your clothes wet. Clean your feet. Ooh. Have. What is that?
Mentos.
Oh, Mentos. Ooh, and is it all flavors? What flavors are in there? You have a Mento? Ooh, is it good?
There's just one more Mentos in there.
What
And
color is that one?
It's purple.
Purple. So what flavor do you think it is?
It's grape.
Great. Ooh, I bet that's delicious. How about you try it out and tell us? Is it good? 7 is yours. Good. Is it good? Ooh, wee. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, I know. We see it. Let's see the package. Alright, so if you guys want some fruity Mentos, they can get it from where?
From the store.
The store. Yummy.
I saved these for later. And now today we're tasting them.
Oh yeah, and your mouth is full.
I know. Look at it inside.
Ooh, it has some filling in there. That is pretty neat. Let me see it up close. Oh, hold on, let it focus. All right, got the filling. All right, you guys, so we did decide to get out of the house. And guess where we're at, y'all? Let me show y'all. We at our first stop, and hopefully, Academy. Hopefully, I'm able to find what I came here to look for. So we will see when we get inside. Y'all look at me. Yeah. Hey. Daddy and 7. And Amari are trying to rush me. So yeah, we're headed into Academy. Let's see what we can find. Yeah, that's a playground set. Y'all, 7 just woke up. Y'all, Mia thinks she too big for this. Why?
No.
Get on it.
No.
Don't be like that, Mia. You know you like to swing.
Not that.
Y'all, Mia too cool for her own good, y'all. Check out her feet though. Look at her.
My feet not
All right, you ready to get out? What, 7's on? 1, 2, 3, go! Whee! Here we go again. 1, 2, 3. Whee!
Now 7 turn.
All right, 7 is your turn. Whee! Yay!
Hit him in the face.
Hit him, 7, hit him, hit him. Beat beat up, beat him up, beat him up.
He trying to hurt that dad. Punch him. Punch him. You can't let him beat up that dad.
Punch him in your coat. That's all you gonna do? Punch him in? Really? Punch him in the neck. What my song? Nah, we can't sing. I was gonna say, what's my song is? Ow! Y'all, so we are now in Academy and I'm here. Of course, y'all know what I came to look for, a canopy tent. But we are over here in the little fitness area right here, y'all. And look at this little dummy. I told Amia, I was like, Amia, punch the mannequin, like punch the mannequin. And I was trying to give her motivation because I was like, sing my song, y'all. I made up a song, like a fight song. I think it was back, it was 3 years ago, and I was trying to teach Amia and my niece Kalia like how to fight. Right. And I told him, I was like, y'all, I was like, sing this song. And I was like, slap that boy. Slap that girl. Hit him chin up. Hit his chin up. Punch him dead and knock you out slowly. Pick your head up and watch a nosebleed. Y'all, I was teaching them that song. So like, over here looking at this mannequin, I was trying to get Amia. I was like, girl, sing my song in your head. Slap that boy. Slap that girl. But y'all, that song like really like you croak a book. I was like, yeah, somebody try you, they bullying you. Although of course y'all know they need to do the right thing, but I did teach them that song, and like to this day y'all, they still remember it word for word. I will never forget. That song cute. But yeah, y'all, so we're over here in the fitness area right now, just browsing around, see if there's anything else that we want to add to our gym in the garage. But yeah, I came in here for a canopy, so we're gonna see if we can find it. Muscle rollers, y'all. Like, these are the things that people be using like in a massage place. These rough things. Y'all got KT tape, so if y'all need some KT tape, y'all better come here. All kinds, all colors. Y'all, and they even have the like arm compression sleeves. I know people that like are getting surgery and things like that, like arm lipo or whatever like that. These little arm compression sleeves I heard are very good. Like, they work like your compression garments and faja. So y'all know Academy Sports have them. They also have these like waist trainer belts too, which I'm pretty sure to do good, add you more compression up your faja. This is very similar to the one I got. But y'all know y'all can come here to get some. Over here talking to y'all and they just leaving me. Look at them. They way up there. They just done left me over there talking to y'all. Y'all, I think I done rolled up on the these things. Y'all, this is what I came looking for right here. 64-inch shade coverage. 10 by 10. This is it. Yeah, we just done walked up on the canopy tents, but this is what I came looking for right here. They don't have a black one. So my brand, of course, is pink and black for BD Transform. So I think the better bet would be to get this light, not light blue, but navy blue one right here. We gonna tell babe, we done walk right past them. Yep, that's it. And then y'all, they ain't but $45. Alright y'all, so I'm currently trying to look for the same size on Home Depot's website. Although they're next door to this store, not far. I want to see if they have a black one, because ultimately I want a black one, but I guess the dark blue would have to do if I can't find a black one. So that's what I'm doing now, y'all. Looks like they have gray in Fayetteville. Also, I found this brand and says free pickup at store 10 by 10. It's black. They might have it over there, y'all. Let's go see. So Beto found the pink. This is like the color. Yes. Alright then. Oh, this is it right here. We still in Academy and Bae found the pink. Boom! Academy got everything you need, y'all. I'm talking about handbags so you can carry or conceal device. I'll say that for YouTube purposes. But y'all, you be standing there like this, why this? You don't want any problems. You don't want any problems. You don't want any problems. Roll Tide. If you're not an Alabama fan, you should be. That is cute. Camera not focused. You have a okay. Made it back from Academy. Super duper excited because I have a pink tint. And you guys, this is the exact color pink for BE Transform. So I'm so excited about that. But we're not at the car wash. Y'all, let me tell you about the car wash. So y'all know I usually always go get my car wash, like the automatic car wash. How about the car wash has been scratching up my car? Like scratches that weren't there from the beginning are now there. So what's happening is I ain't going. Like, I'm not gonna go back because it's not worth me scratching up my car. Period. It's not worth it. So we're currently at the little handheld car wash, which honestly it washes your car a whole lot better than those automatic car washes. So just a little tip for you guys: if you constantly use an automatic car wash, just know could possibly be scratching up your car. Like, I didn't notice it on my previous car, I guess because of the color, but on this car right here I see the scratches, like on the black light panels and stuff like that. So no ma'am, it's not going to continue to scratch up my car. So we are at the little handheld one. Bae is out there, like, he has the soap all over the car right now, but he's out there cleaning the car. So yeah, it's definitely time consuming. So when you go to the car wash over here, you actually have to come prepared to, you know, be out there doing it yourself. Of course, those automatic ones are definitely more convenient. You know what they need? They need a touchless automatic one, because when we were in Birmingham, they had a lot of touchless automatic car washes where you go through and your car's not even touched by all those little things. That's what they need here. But as of now, this is what we currently have to do, because scratches, no ma'am. So yeah, but I'm so excited about my tent, y'all. Like I had everything else prepared for like pop-up, because I was going to be in an indoor pop-up shop. They ended up getting canceled like at the last minute, but now I can actually go to some outdoor events because now I have a tent and a table. Because I bought a table last night. If I didn't tell y'all already, I did buy a table last night from Home Depot. So now I have my own 6-foot table and my own 10 by 10 tent. Boom, boom. Everything else, I mean, it's only up from here. So if you have not supported the brand of BE Transform, or if you have not checked out the website, definitely go do that, y'all. The link is in the description box. And thank you guys for your support, because a lot of you guys already support me like on a consistent basis, and I appreciate you guys. But for all y'all newbies, go check out BE Transform
on our channel.
Of course, y'all hear Mario back there. Subscribe to our Hillside Family channel, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, sis, click it and subscribe. Ooh baby, ooh baby, ooh.
30, baby, won't you make me part of me? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is, no matter how busy.